Located on the overhead console of your Genesis GV60, the interior lighting controls provide simple options for interior lighting. When the interior light switch is in the door lamp position, the interior room lamps will illuminate for 30 seconds when the doors are unlocked by key fob or the door handle. The room lamps will gradually go out after 30 seconds if the doors remain closed. To turn off the room lamps immediately, press the lock button on the smart key fob. If a door is opened at this time, the room lamps will stay on for about 5 minutes. The map lamps point to both the driver and passenger sides and can produce a spotlight for quick and easy illumination. Touch either of the map lamp icons once to turn the beam on or off. To turn on or off the room lights for the front and rear seats, press the room lamp button. If the vehicle is turned off and the doors are closed, the interior lights will shut off automatically after 20 minutes if left unlocked. If the vehicle is turned off and the door is left open, the interior lights will shut off automatically after 25 minutes if left unlocked. If the doors are locked by the smart key fob and the anti-theft system enters armed status, the lights will turn off after 5 seconds. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.